Hello mga kachupos!
Hello mga kachupos!
Hello mga kachubos at nandito tayo sa Ayala Mall by the Bay at kasama natin si Ma'am.
Aika.
And Ma'am Aika, regarding pala sa cosplay, ano pala yung kino-cosplay nyo so far ngayon, Ma'am?
Ngayon, I'm cosplaying a gender-bent version ni Doflamingo from One Piece.
And syempre Ma'am, since when kayo nag-start as a cosplayer, Ma'am?
Nag-start ako nung medyo lumawag na yun sa pandemic. Around 2022 siguro by that time. Yung first convention ko is I think ACX yata or Cosplay Carnival. Yeah.
And regarding naman po sa cosplay, Ma'am, ano po yung pinaka-favorite na kinosplay nyo so far, Ma'am?
Yung favorite cosplay ko siguro nag-gender bent version ako ni Zoro. Yun yung pinaka-first cosplay ko kasi yun din yung parang first major cosplay ko during cosplay Matsuri. Kaya yun yung favorite ko kasi parang doon ako nag-start mag-create ng Facebook account, ng Instagram na mainly for cosplay.
And syempre, ayun, Ma'am, meron din po ba kayong tawag dito, social media regarding sa mga cosplay, Ma'am? Now, for example, yung ibang website na exclusive lang for cosplay, Ma'am.
Akin?
Yung sa'yo po.
Yes. Sa Facebook ko, may cosplay is Aika Coaster and yung Instagram ko is _Aika Coaster _ Yun, yung dalawa. Oh, and also sa TikTok, Aika Coaster.
And regarding naman po sa anime, ano yung top 3 na anime na gusto nyong i-recommend sa mga otaku natin na nanonood ngayon?
Sige, mag-separate dalawa.
Sige, sige.
Kasi yung isa personally, yung top 3 ko is One Piece, Attack on Titan, and The Disastrous Life of Psyche K. Yun yung parang anytime gusto kong ulit-ulitin. Pero parang top 3 na gusto kong i-recommend naman is 1, Akatsuki no Yona, 2, Owari no Seraph, and 3, Terror of Resonance. Yeah.
And syempre ma'am, regarding pala sa cosplay, is magkano yung initial budget dapat na para lang sa hindi pa aware sa ganitong ma'am, hobby?
Parang budget if magsa-start
Opo.
mag-cosplay. May options kasi sila. First, if they want to rent lang a cosplay, your budget can range about 500 yung max. Depende sa type of cosplay na gusto nila. Kasi depende sa, kunyari, anime. For example, sa Genshin or sa mga games, may pagkamahal yung cosplay. Or if like yung mga mainstream animes, yung iba naman, hindi ka masyadong mahal. Or if gusto naman nila, they own ng cosplay themselves, pwede silang bumili or magpagawa. Usually, dapat ang minimum budget is 1,000. And if gusto nila magpagawa ng for example, sa tailor, I think a minimum of 3K is needed for that.
And would you recommend para sa mga hindi pa or gusto pa lang magbalak na mag-cosplay, ma'am?
Yes, I recommend naman cosplaying to anyone, especially if hobby nyo, for example, manood ng anime or maglaro kasi cosplaying is a really fun hobby. And if gusto mo din i-represent yung, for example, characters na gusto mo, it's a really fun hobby to start. Tsaka maganda rin yung cosplay community kasi marami kang makaka-close kasi parang similar kayo ng mga interests lahat. So yeah, I recommend doing cosplay.
And Ma'am Aika, last question. Ano yung next upcoming events na a-attend kayo or mag-join kayo, ma'am?
Ang next event ko, also coming with my sister, is Hoyo Fest. This will be from July 24 yata yung start, but we'll be going on 27 on Sunday. Yan, this will be at SMX Convention Center.
And once again, thank you, Ma'am Aika.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello mga ka-shubos at nandito tayo sa Ayala Mall by the Bay at kasama po